To add tiles to your Galaxy Watch from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap tiles. Under add tile section, select the desired tile you like to add. As the example, we will add calculator. If needed, you can change the order of your tiles by dragging and dropping the required tile to the desired order. Once done, tap Save to save the change. To see the result on your Galaxy Watch, swipe its screen to the left to view your tiles. As you can see, the selected tiles, in this case calculator, has been added to your watch. As a note, since tiles are quick access widget that you can swipe through your watch, adding the required tiles to your watch will give you instant information or control that you need without diving into apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.